Hi guys, welcome to another stream. I've decided to do some more quizzes, yeah? So, over on the website, or this gift exchange, not this one. This one is out today guys, this blog post, yeah? Christmas gift exchange. You can come and read all about it if you want, or you can just scroll down to the good stuff and delete it. Download this guys, yeah, so you can play it. Christmas gift exchange, roll the dice, yeah. And if you ain't got any dice lying around the house, scroll down and here you go. All you have to do is right click it, save image as, yeah, or you can scroll where it says download, click that and you'll download the PDF version. And with the PDF version guys, it brings, like, these come with it, yeah. Or if you just want the dice, get the dice. Go down a bit further guys, give it a share for us guys. Check out any of these red highlighted words and it will take you to another page. So yeah guys, let's get into it. So yesterday we did the first set of hard Christmas riddles. Now some of them was hard, some of them was a guess, I must admit. But after this I'm going to show you some movie anagrams, and they are rock hard guys. So let's get into this, yeah. So I'm a visitor from the farthest reaches, leaving gifts on sandy beaches, a tropical twist to the holiday cheer. Who am I, spreading warmth near? What do you reckon guys? What do you reckon? I'm a visitor from the farthest reaches, leaving gifts on sandy beaches, a tropical twist to the holiday cheer. Who am I, spreading warmth near? My mind has gone blank. If you're in the chat, please let me know if you know the answer to that one. I honestly don't. Kind of throws me off when it says leaving gifts. I was going to say Santa, but then we've already had Santa and it says on sandy beaches, and I don't know. Christmas in July? I don't know. Could be Christmas in July, couldn't it? Because in Australia they celebrate Christmas in July and they have sandy beaches, tropical twist, holiday cheer, spreading warmth. Right. Anyway, moving on. If you're playing along guys, write it down so then when we come to the answers you can tick off all the ones you got right. Number 2. I am a creature of myth, with antlers so grand, flying high over the winterland, leading a sleigh with gifts in tow. Guess my name as I go. Reindeer, yeah? Rudolph. It's going to be Rudolph, innit? Because he's a creature of myth. Rudolph's the red-nosed reindeer. Next one, number 3. I'm a dance of colours in the night sky, reds, greens and blues up high, bursting with light, celestial show. What am I, putting on a glow? That's Christmas lights, yeah? That's all I can think of, Christmas lights. Number 4. Number 4. I'm a spice in the air, a scent so divine, cinnamon and cloves in a line, brewing in cups, a comforting sight. What am I on a winter's night? What do you reckon guys? Do you know that one? For some reason I've got like hot chocolate in my head when it says brewing in cups, yeah, or cocoa or hot chocolate, yeah. Sometimes I have a touch of cinnamon, don't you? Yeah, I'll go for hot drink, hot chocolate, yeah, or hot cocoa. I'm a creature of shadow, dark and tall, fearsome to some, loved by all. In the night I roam with grace, guess my name in this snowy space. Snowman, isn't it? We had this one before, haven't we? Snowman. I'm a tale of old with lessons to learn, a miser's change, a twist and turn. 3 spirits guide, a ghost applied, What am I on Christmas night? I don't know, guys. Any clues? Can you help me out? I don't know if it's because I'm tired or my mind is just numb today. When it says free spirits, I'm thinking of like Charles Dickens, Scrooge. You know what I mean? The ghost, Christmas past, present, and future. Probably wrong though. Let's move on. I'm a celebration, a feast so grand, tables adorned with a helping hand, turkey stuffing and pies so sweet, guess my name, a holiday treat. Christmas dinner? That's what I'm thinking of. Now, if you're watching this on the rerun, feel free to put your comments, I don't know if you can put them in the comment, in the message box, yeah, feel free. Number 8. I'm a train of wonder, track so wide, puffing along with festive stride, carrying gifts in a huff and puff. What am I on a holiday bluff? I'm a train of wonder, track so wide, puffing along with festive stride, carrying gifts in a huff and puff. What am I on a holiday bluff? I've no idea, guys. I am really bad at this today. I'm a creature of winter, white as dove, with a carrot nose and eyes full of love, building snowmen in frosty light. Who am I? A snowy delight. See, it says like snowman again. I've already had snowman once or twice now. I'm a winter sport on ice or on snow, gliding and twirling with a graceful flow. Blades or boards, take your pick. What am I on a snowy click? Ice skating? Yeah. Now let's go and have a look at these answers, guys. And I bet I've got loads wrong. Well, in fact, I didn't even answer half of them. First one. Santa. Beach loving Santa or vacation Santa? No. We said it was. We thought it was Santa, but then I said Australia. Right. Number 2. The answer to this riddle is Santa's reindeer, with a specific focus on lead reindeer. Yeah, well we said that, didn't we? We said Rudolph. We said reindeer and then said Rudolph. Yeah. Number 3. Firework display. Oh, we said lights. A dance of colours in the night sky featuring reds, greens and blues. Like, yeah, so it's firework display. Mulled wine or spice cider. Oh right, so it's not hot chocolate. Totally forgot about mulled wine. Snowman, yeah, I thought it was. Creature of shadow, dark and tall. Snowman talks, first appearance. Yeah, we had a feeling it was snowman. Christmas Carol. Yeah, I said Charles Dickens there. Yeah. The answer to this riddle is Thanksgiving. Alright. A celebration, a feast so grand with tables adorned, helping out, featuring turkey, stuffing and pie so sweet. Yeah, I read turkey and I automatically thought of Christmas dinner, but then if I would have read pie so sweet properly, I should have thought about Thanksgiving. We don't celebrate Thanksgiving over in the UK, but I should have known that. The Polar Express, of course it is, yeah. Track so wide, puffing along. I had a feel it was train. Excuse me, guys. Feeling a bit tired. Snowman again. I would have thought should change this. Change some more so we don't have snowman repeated. Yeah, ice skating. Figure skating or ice skating, yeah. So here's that snowman one again. I'm a creature of shadow, dark and tall, fearsome to some, loved by all. In the night I roll with grace, guess my name in this snowy space. Yeah, and then maybe we'll do the third lot another time, but I want to show you something, guys. If we go to Christmas games under media, this website is called Christmas Everyday Club. blogposts.com as well, guys, if you want to come and check them all out. Now, where are the anagrams? Christmas movie anagrams, guys. These are hard. I love the movies, but these are hard. So feel free. Like that. Elk mend loot. What movie do you think that is? You can read all about it. What's the thing here? Another one. The Gory Elf. Right, so here's one, right? Here's Christmas anagrams with clues. Gift Joker Horn. The clue is an animated film about a reindeer with a glowing red nose. Well, we all know the reindeer with a glowing red nose is Rudolph. Yeah? So, Gift Joker Horn is meant to mean, I don't know, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Yeah, that movie, the animated movie Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. But I don't get them, do you guys? Gift. I don't get it. Next one. Glee Cow Aim. And the clue is a heartwarming film about a boy's journey to the North Pole on Christmas Eve. Right? So, I understand the clue. If I read this bit out, I understand that. It's the Polar Express, yeah? But I don't understand these anagrams. Please explain in the chat if you understand them, because I really don't. And this one here, Santa's Ride. A classic film where Santa Claus faces challenges while delivering presents. I have no idea. What? I don't know. So what I want you to do, guys, is come and check these out. And if you know them, like if you can explain what they mean to me, I would like it. Yeah, because all the answers are here. Then you've got some more here. Yeah, so there's only 20. There's 20 for to do, guys, yeah? So, what we're going to do now is I'm going to stop this video because I'm feeling very tired. I wanted to show you something else, but I'll make another video for that, guys. So, thanks very much for watching, and until next time, goodbye.